Dreaming of IITs, NITs, or a prestigious PSU job, then GATE Electronics and Communication Engineering is your gateway, and this is the guide that will get you there. Introducing your ultimate prep companion from general aptitude to engineering mathematics and every technical concept in between. This book has all in one coverage that makes mastering the GATE syllabus easy and effective. Every topic is followed by targeted exercises, helping you build rock solid concept clarity. Tackle tricky MSQs with a specially curated multiple select question bank designed for the latest pattern. Test your readiness with three full length mock tests that simulate the real exam experience. Stay ahead of the curve by solving actual GATE papers from 2023 to 2025, complete with expert solutions. With its structured approach, in depth explanations, and powerful practice, this guide doesn't just prepare you, it makes you GATE ready.